Hanap mo ba yung rejuvenating set? Eto mga sis, ire-recommend ko sa inyo ang Prestige Rejuvenating Plus Set. Look at the packaging. Pink na pink. And hindi lang yung packaging nito ang maganda, plus yung effectiveness ng rejuvenating set na to. After soap, itong gagamitin nyo ang toner. Of course, toner on your face with cotton pads. After that, use natin itong sunscreen sa morning. My tip guys is after kayong lumabas or 30 minutes before the exposure of the sun, use sunscreen. And sa gabi naman, syempre, gagamit tayo ng Rejuvenating Plus Cream. What's good thing about this Prestige Rejuvenating Plus set is microfilling lang siya. Hindi siya yung talagang mahapdi. So guys, what are you waiting for?